Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 216 and I will show you how you can insert battery to this phone. So at the first you have to grab it like that, rotate to the back, and you have to put your fingernail under this material plastic. Let me show you, just like that, and you have to push it towards you, just like that, from the both sides, so from the left and from the right. The first, and after that, when you're holding it like that, you can remove this part by moving your finger here, and there you go. You have to do it gently, try to don't break that back cover. And right now when you are here inside, we can finally input battery. So as you can see, we have to put that tray in this place. So we have to put this battery like that. And then press with your finger. After that, battery was successfully applied, and then the back cover we have to put just like that. Okay, and right now we can turn on our device by pressing this button. And as you can see, right now our device is activated. And right now when you want to take off that battery, just do the same. So open it from here with your fingernail, and remember to do it gently. Then go for both sides. And to remove battery, you have to put your finger here and then press it towards you. So as you can see, it's very simple. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.